Welcome to Digital Scrapper Tutorials. I'm Linda Sattgast with another lesson on the new out-of-bounds photo effect. In our last lesson, we created the out-of-bounds effect and ended up with all these layers over here in the Layers panel. So let's talk about how to work with these layers. My plan is to move this out-of-bounds photo onto this piece of digital paper. So first, I'm going to hide some of these layers over here, starting with the gradient fill layer, and I hide it by clicking on the eye next to the thumbnail. Now let's hide this color fill layer, and that leaves us with the background. Let's go ahead and hide that, and now the only layers that are visible are these top three layers, and those are my out-of-bounds photo layer. To select all three of these layers, click on the top visible layer and shift-click on the bottom one. And now we have all three layers selected. For the next step, you must be in the floating windows mode. Go up to the Arrange Documents menu at the top of your screen and choose Float All in Windows. If you're working on a PC, you may not see that option available in the Arrange Documents menu. So in order to make that available to you, you'll need to press Control-K to get the preferences, and then check this, Allow Floating Documents in Full Edit Mode. Then click OK, and now when you go up to your menu, it will be shown right here. And just click on that, and now I can click and drag this top bar across here, and I can see both photos. I can see my photo and my scrapbook page at the same time. Click and drag these selected layers in the Layers panel onto the digital paper. So click and hold it, drag it over, let go of your mouse when you get over here, and make sure you have your Move tool selected up here. It's at the top of your toolbar, and then also make sure that you have Auto Select Layer and Show Bounding Box checked up here in the Options bar. Then, because these layers are still all selected over here in the Layers panel, when I click and drag this, they will all move together. So I'm going to just put that into place where I want it and let go of the mouse. If you want the white border to be a different size, click on the frame layer to select it. Now press the Alt key in Windows or the Option key on a Mac and keep holding that key as you click and drag from a corner handle to resize it. So I'm going to make this border just a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to let go of that Alt or Option key, and I might want to even bring this in just a little bit. You want to just keep adjusting it. You can also use your arrow keys, so I can bump that down a little bit. And once I'm satisfied, click on the green check mark to accept it. Remember, if you mess something up, just click on the Undo button up here at the top and try it again. So now you're ready to create your scrapbook page. Here's what I did with my page. If you're interested in learning more about how to make pages like this, be sure to check out my video training called Learn Digital Scrapbooking on my website, scrappersguide.com. Thanks for listening. I'm Linda Sattgast with Digital Scrapper Tutorials.